Hey kids! Welcome to a brand spanking new episode of Belmo Drinks Beer. But before we get into this video, make sure to smash that like button down below and subscribe. Let's aim for 50 likes guys, that would be great. Without making you wait any longer, let's move on to the video. So today kids, we will learn how to make beer. Step 1, go to the toilet and pee in a cup, trust me it will look exactly like beer. Step 2, add yeast, or should I say, yeast. Step 3, stir the beer to dissolve the yeast. Step 4, leave the beer to settle for 3 months. Step 5, congratulations you have made beer. Serve it to your friends, they will totally be impressed by your brewing skills. If you enjoyed this video make sure to smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos. That's all for today's video, see you guys in episode 4.